I think only one student is there, so we should wait for a while. Only two students have joined till now. So this block 2 is related to your content creation and SAP practices in technology. So whenever we are going through educational technology, we have to also understand what this content creation is and how can we make it more safe for our learner as well as for us as a teacher. So what do you mean by content creation? What is content creation? Any idea?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Good evening.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Content creation means that we were previously we create the content in the form of some idea that has been printed in the printed materials. That means some ideas. are written in the form of printed material, that may be textbook or magazine or any other material, that means printed or any other medium. But now, when we talk about the content creation using ICT, that means we have to create such content. That means we have to give some idea, but we have to use it through ICT. That means we have to present it through ICT, so that using ICT is a very interesting nowadays. That means we can present a content very easily to the before the student or the learner, through the content, the content which we want to present, we can make it so interesting and so attractive using the ICD. So the content creation means that means what we want to present, we use ICT for that purpose.
Okay. So content creation means that we have to create some type of teaching learning material, and we have to create some written material or some type of supporting resources online or through digital form or through ICT mode, so that student can get it easily at any way. So content creation is one of the important aspect of educational technology. So technology, whenever we are utilizing it in the field of education, at that time our main motive is to help our students very effectively, anywhere, at any place, at any time they can learn. So for that purpose, we have to develop those type of content material that can be easily accessible to our learners. So many examples are there. Whenever you are searching something, you will finding different pages, different websites. You are finding some written informations are also there. So from that you are learning something, and instantly you are getting some knowledge. Just like suppose you want to understand any term, only you are utilizing any search engine, Google's engine. You are utilizing, you are writing that particular writing, you are writing that particular aspect, any you are writing that particular word, and instantly you are getting the answer. So those are nothing but the content, digital content that has been prepared. Okay, and it is also it is also shown to our students. So it is very effective, and we people, we have to also understand it properly. As a teacher, we have to also develop digital content. We can also ourselves, we can develop content for our students. So how can you prepare that? Okay, how can you prepare different type of content, different type of e learning materials? Okay, so that at any place, at any time, our learner can get access to this type of learning notes. So for that purpose, we have to understand. So in your course also, you will find some concepts are there in unit 3. Okay, using ICT for content creation, storage and sharing, that is the unit 3. So how can we utilize ICT, information communication technology, for content creation, for storing different content, e-content, and for sharing it to our students group? Okay, those things we have to understand. So in this chapter or unit, you will find official tools, office tools, which can be utilized for creating content. So you know that MS Office, you are very much aware of it. Whenever you are utilizing computer, you have to also go through this MS Office package, isn't it? So what are those package? Different types of software, application softwares are there. Like your कौन सब अच्छी MS Office रे, MS Office यूज करिଛ, कौन सब तार सॉफ्टवेयर
Yes,
गुड़ाक
ma'am.
अच्छी? MS
And
Office रे
in yes, ma'am. In MS Office, usually we use Word, MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint in our day-to-day life. Apart from that, we have also used the MS Access, and also there are the mail system for the office package, that was MS Publisher, I think, ma'am. Uh, 3 to 4 software that I have used, ma'am.
So MS Word is their word processing softwares and content can be created. Word processing. MS Word is there. Spreadsheets. Okay. Some type of spreadsheets are there where we can also include data. You can also prepare some chart graphs and we can also include that in our content. Also, we are having PowerPoint presentation software. Those can be also utilized for e-content preparation. How can I drawing tools and content creation. So you know that in this MS Office also there are also drawing tools are there. You can easily develop your own drawing, your own diagrams for your students. Okay, you can also draw taking into different shapes. uh, Different softwares are there, just like your MS Paint, drawing tools, Corel diagrams. So many different types of softwares are available. Online softwares are also there. So you can also utilize them and you can also create your own content. And different features are also discussed in this particular unit, that is using ICT for content creation. Here also we will learn about how to store, how to retrieve different content, file format, conversion, and how to utilize reusable learning objects. How can we utilize again and again these learning objects for our students? So, in your study materials, those things have been written. Okay, so I think we must go through that. We can also understand it. Here you'll find using ICT for content creation, storage, and sharing. So different types of ideas are there. Office tools are there. MS Office. Uh, so different uh, concepts are there. Office tools are there. So how what are the different tools or softwares we are using? So mainly we are using these tools for creating, sharing, saving different memos, notice, letters. Those can be typed through this word processing software. So বিভিন্ন ପ୍ରକାର ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆମେ ତିଆରି କରିପାରିବା। MS Word ଯେଉଁମାନେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛ, ତମେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛ, କିଛି ଲେଟର ଲେଖୁଛ, କିଛି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ତିଆରି କରୁଛ, everything we can find out through this MS Word. Okay, so also we can share our presentation, we can save our presentation, and also we can share it to our students. Okay, so in this case, different, here you can see different softwares, office suites are there, like Microsoft Office, just like it, LibreOffice, OpenOffice, G Suite. uh, so different types of softwares are there where we can also go through it. Mainly we are utilizing MS Word, MS Office jota আমি use করছে. It is very popular. Just like that, some other types of softwares are also there. Okay, so mainly it is proprietary software. That means it is owned by some company, and we have to also purchase it from that company. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର କିଣୁଛ ସେଥିରେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ସବୁ ଲୋଡେଡ୍ ହେଇକି ସେ କମ୍ପାନୀରୁ ଆମେ ତାକୁ କିଣିଥାଏ। And some free open sources are there, FOSS, FOS. So free जोटा तमे फ्री मध्य ऑनलाइन डाउनलोड करके फ्री एप्लीकेशन तमे करि परिबो। And G Suite, it's a online type Google cloud based type of tool that can be also downloaded. So different tools are there. So whenever we are coming to this MS Word, ମୁଁ ୟୁଜ୍ କଲି କାହିଁକି ଏଇଥିରେ ତମେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି ଏଥିରେ ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ତୁମ ଷ୍ଟଡି ମେଟେରିଆଲରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଇଛି କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟସ, ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ବାର୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ବିଷୟରେ। MS Word ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଖୋଲୁଛ, MS Word ର ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ବାର୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ରହିଛି। ଏବେ ଟୁଲ ବାର ଦେଖ, toolbar a side ta different tools are there, and menu bars. Tools means you can make your letter bold, italic, underline, or you can also make it colorful. Paragraph tools are also there. Huh? And we have also menu bar. Menu bar भी अच्छी देखो, different file, editing, view, insert, एगुड़ाक सब तुम मेन्यू बार प्रथम बार टाक मेन्यू बार कहते तापर को दीटा जो रहा टूल बार्स कह and you see toolbar. After that also ruler, which is also utilized for setting page margin and size of the page. केते मार्जिन आमे रखिबा ऊपर केते छाड़ीबा लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड केते रखा हबो प्रिंटिंग कले केते भलो सुंदर भाबरे प्रिंट आउट बाहरिबो ए सब आमे कोथि जानथाय जो रूलर पेज जुडा कर रहिछि एथि आमे जानथाय. So in this way we can also find another bar is there, that is nothing but your what title bar. Title bar जितने भी कौन सी MS Word तुम डॉक्यूमेंट खोलुछ से ऊपर तुम गोटे टाइटल बार तार ना गोटे तुम पाई था कौन सब रही टाइटल बार लेखा ही तुम फाइल ना जोटा भी तुम सॉफ्टवेयर को सेव करुछ बा से वर्ड टा को सेव करुछ ता सहित डिफरेंट टूल्स आर देयर. तुम यदि देखिबो डिफरेंट टूल्स आर देयर. ओपन हाँ न्यू 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 जदि करिवो तार नुआ फाइल तयारी हो. ओपन रिसेंट विजार्ड टेम्पलेट सेव सेव एज एडा को सब रही. अच्छा किए सब जिनस MS Word टोटल जानी न MS Word के जानी न यूज करबा. इज इट विजिबल टू यू ऑल जो माने
Yes,
मटेरियल
ma'am.
में पाई न
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
MS Word के यूज करवा जानी ना because all of you are I think in education sector, some of you are also teachers, so ICT रो जहाले भी प्रचलन एबे हेई गलानी स्कूल रे सब वर्ड के यूज करी जानी ना समस्त फाइल तैयारी कर जानछो न्यू फाइल तैयारी कर जानछो नुआ फाइल जदि आमे चाहिबा ताकू मध्य आमे न्यू ऑप्शन को गले सेटा हेई परिबो किबा ओपन करिया के चाहे ओपन करि परिबा डबल क्लिक करि परिबा डबल क्लिक कले भी सेटा ओपन हे जिवो सेव एज सेव एगुडा को सब रही. So different types of icons are there through which also we can operate our MS Word. Okay. Edit menu, undo redo कौन undo redo कौन की कहबो.
Ma'am, undo means to go back. That means what we have done. If it is there is some mistake, then we can go backward. That means we have we can get to the previous one. That is undo. And if mistakenly we undo something, then we can
Also
use
redo.
your redo. Yes, yes, and the control plus Z is the undo, and control plus Y is the redo key, shortcut key.
Okay. So we can also edit, and if it is यदि आमे किछि चेंज करिया को चाहू छु अगेन आउथरे पुरुना फेस को चली जा को चाहू छु ताले अंडू करिबा एवं आउथरे जदि ताकू पुनी आग भलिया करिया को चाहिबा ताले रिडू करिबा. कट कॉपी पेस्ट कोनसी जिंस कोनसी यदि MS Word कोनसी एस्पेक्ट तमे ताकू डिलीट करिया को चाहू छु तो कट करि परिबो किबा सेही पार्ट को कॉपी करिया को चाहू तो कॉपी कमांड दबो. पेस्ट करिया को चाहू तो पेस्ट कमांड दबो. हां तापर पे स्पेशल it helps pasting the selected area with either exact formatting even sometime in an image directory. Paste देखि टेबल पेस्ट करछ से टाइम रे एग्जैक्टली सेटा करिया को चाहछ त सेंति पेस्ट स्पेशल भी अछि. फाइंड एंड रिप्लेस गो टू पेज एटा को सब डिफरेंट कमांड्स गुडा को रही. So you can also explore MS Word and you can learn more about it. Okay. So view menu of LibreOffice Writer. एथरे गोटे जोटा हमर रही गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर LibreOffice Writers ता विषय लिखाई केमती सेथरे आमे व्यू मेन्यू करि परिबा नॉर्मल साइज रे देखि परिबा नॉर्मल स्क्रीन साइज देखि परिबा टूल बार्स गुडी को देखि परिबा स्टेटस बार tells the status of the document. Rulers and scrollers ଏଟାକ ସବୁ ଦେଖିବ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଏଟାକୁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲୋର ଏଟା ବହୁତ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକ ଯଦିଓ ତମ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରରେ ଯଦି ନାହିଁ ଏଇ ସଫ୍ଟୱେୟାର ଗୁଡାକ ତମେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲୋର କରିବ ଆଣ୍ଡ ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ କେମିତି ଫର୍ମାଟିଂ କରିବା ସେଇ ବିଷୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏଇଥିରେ ସବୁ ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରହିଛି ତମର insert menu. If you want to insert something, what you want to insert? Page break. ଲେଖୁଛ ତା ସହିତ তুমি ଚାହୁଁଛ ଯେ ଏଇଠି ପେଜ ଟା ବ୍ରେକ୍ ହେଇକି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଡିଂ ରେ ଲେଖିବି ତ ତାକୁ ପେଜ ବ୍ରେକ୍ କମାଣ୍ଡ ଦିଆଯିବ ମିଡିଆ କୌଣସି ଭିଡିଓ ଅଡିଓ ଯଦି ଇନସର୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ ତାହେଲେ ସେଇଥିରେ ସୋର୍ସ କରିକି ତମେ ତାଙ୍କର ମିଡିଆ ମଧ୍ୟ ଇନସର୍ଟ କରିକିନା ତମେ ମଧ୍ୟ ମିଡିଆ ୟୁଜ କରିବ ସୋ ଇନସର୍ଟ କମାଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଖିବ କଣ ସବୁ ଆମେ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ କରିପାରିବା ଯେମିତିକି ଇମେଜ ମିଡିଆ ହଁ ତାପରେ ଚାର୍ଟ କିଛି ଚାର୍ଟ ଯଦି କରିବାକୁ ଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କିଛି ସେପ୍ ଯେମିତି ତମେ ଟ୍ରାୟାଙ୍ଗଲ ସ୍କ୍ୱେର ଏଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିପାରିବ ଟେକ୍ସଟ ବକ୍ସ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ টেক্সচুয়াল ম্যাটেরিয়াল ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ସେପାରେଟ ଲେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ତାହେଲେ ତମେ ଇନସର୍ଟ ଟେକ୍ସଟ ବକ୍ସ କରିପାରିବ କମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇପାରିବ ଫ୍ରେମ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟିଂ HTML ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି HTML ଯଦି ଜାଣିଛ ସେଇ ବିଷୟରେ ତମେ ଫ୍ରେମ୍ କରିପାରିବ ସୋ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ତମର ହାଇପର ଲିଙ୍କ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଥିଲି ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସରେ ବୁକ୍ ମାର୍କ ଏଇଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟ ରହିଛି ଟେବୁଲ पेज नंबर मते जदी एई जो डॉक्यूमेंट रही छै कुछ गोटे पेज नंबर मु इंक्लूड करबी तो इंसर्ट करके पेज नंबर मते मु इंक्लूड कर परिबी देन फॉर्मेटिंग केमति ताकू आमे आहुरी एडिट करके आहुरी सुंदर भाबरे प्रेजेंटेशन करि परिबा हां तार सब विषय फॉर्मेटिंग एस्पेक्ट मते देछि टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेटिंग जोटा कि बोल्ड इटैलिक अंडरलाइन डबल अंडरलाइन एटा को हेई परिबो स्पेस केते स्पेस रे हमर अक्षर गुडी बा तमर वर्ड गुडी रहिबो आ पैराग्राफ भीतर स्पेसिंग केते रहिबो 1.5 की 2 की 1 अलाइनमेंट जोटा उडेला मिडिल रही छी आ उडे लेफ्ट आ उडे राइट कोठी अलाइनमेंट रहिबो लिस्ट बुलेट एंड नंबरिंग जदि किछि लिस्टिंग करके लेखुछ तले 1 2 3 4 लिखि परिबो कि बा बुलेट देखि मध्ये लिखि परिबो हां क्लोन फॉर्मेटिंग एगुडा को सब पैराग्राफ then paragraph title page column watermark use this feature to add watermark in document watermark भी कर परिबो ए सब विभिन्न प्रकार रो रोटेशंस बहुत सारे फीचर्स अछि एटा एमती थियोरेटिकली हमें बुझै परिबानी ता पई प्रैक्टिकली हमको देखिया को पड़िबो जे केमती अछि टेबल टेबल इंसर्ट टेबल कला परे केतरा रो केतरा कॉलम तमे सेटा को कमांड आसीबो से अनुसार तमे यदि इंक्लूड करिवो से अनुसार तम टेबल मध्ये क्रिएट हो जिवो ए सब होला तमर वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर एटा कि हमें किछि टाइपिंग करबा वर्ड माने हला वर्ड किछि लेखिबा एवं किछि डॉक्यूमेंट डेवलप करबा एई ऊपर तमे यदि भूली जाइछ किए ताल ताकू प्रैक्टिस करो बहुत सुंदर भाबरे तमे ताकू मध्ये टाइपिंग कर परिबो हम लिखि परिबो गोटे अच्छी हैंड आउट तुम क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट यूजिंग राइटर राइटर तार जमी टू ओपन डॉक्यूमेंट गो टू फाइल सिलेक्ट ओपन तार सब देजी कमांड गुडा केमती करा जिवो डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल को जाई सिलेक्ट करिवो न्यू स्टार्ट टाइपिंग सब कमांड गुडा देजी पढ़िबो एगुडा सब आउ से अनुसार तुम निजे एथिरे एक्सपर्ट हे परिबो लेआउट माने हमर केमिति देखा जीवो पेजटा ता ऊपर मध्ये देछि ओटे स्लाइड लेआउट हम केमिति करि पारे जोटा कि हमर आसी गला प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर प्रेजेंटेशन माने ए जो पावर पॉइंट हमें करूचे जो किछि प्रेजेंटेशन हमें पिला को देखौचे कोन से प्रकार टीचिंग लर्निंग मटेरियल माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट को मन को करि आसुची समस्त जानि छ पावर पॉइंट करिया के जानिना बहुत इजी पावर पॉइंट रो गोटे पी कहि किना गोटे थाए आइकन सेटा को तमे क्रिएट करबो सेइतरे डबल क्लिक करले भी नुवा पावर पॉइंट डॉक्यूमेंट खोली जिवो एवं सेइतरे बहुत सारा स्लाइड्स थाए हमें भी देखौछु पाठ पढिला बेलको तम मन को सेइतरे से स्लाइड्स गुडा को जो अछि गोटे परे गोटे किछि अल्प अल्प जिंस तम सेइतरे लिखि दबो सो दैट प्रेजेंटेशन टाइम रे जो माने लर्नर अछंती ताकू मते देखि परिबे एवं बहुत जल्दी ताकू भलसे बुझी परिबे. So PowerPoint presentation आमे करथो इति पई briefly we can also touch main points of that particular content, and we can also include different picture, diagram, video, hyperlink also we can insert into it. So it's a very powerful tool for providing some main teaching points to our students. So learners can also find out different teaching points or the learning points easily through this PowerPoint presentation. Briefly we can present many concepts. So it's very useful for us. ताकू मध्य आमे प्रिपरेशन करि परिबा डिफरेंट अलाइनमेंट हो, डिफरेंट टाइप्स और लेआउट अच्छी, डिफरेंट टाइप्स रो पिक्चर, डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड गुडा को मध्य सुंदर भाव रे एथे देखा जिवो. स्लाइड नंबर आमे इंक्लूड करि परिबा. हां एथरे मध्य टूल बार रहउची आ स्लाइड थंबनेल माने कहा परे कोटा अछि ताकू मध्य ओटे छोटो शॉर्टकट रे देखै थाए. ताकू मध्य देखो विभिन्न प्रकार लेआउट गुडा रही. हाँ से आमे जोटा सिलेक्शन करवा तो ये रही केवल लेखा गोटे ब्लैंक प्रेजेंटेशन कर जदि कौन चार्ट ग्राफ वीडियो इंक्लूड कर गोटे अलग लेआउट रही. डिजाइन टेम्पलेट्स गुडा आमे कहि परबा. सो डिफरेंट डिजाइन वी कैन आल्सो ऑप्ट फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग आवर PowerPoint presentation. So different designs are there, different colorful designs. सबुर विभिन्न प्रकार डिजिटल एनिमेशन मध्ये इंक्लूड करि परिबो. So here also you will find edit and slideshow menu. Slideshow तार उडे अछि बटन slideshow ताहेले सेटा ऑटोमेटिकली स्लाइड गुडी को मूव करिवो एवं तमे सेटा मध्ये पिलांकु देखै परिवो जदि चाहिबो. So different types of formats are there, different types of options are there, insert menus are there, format menus are there. Formatting menus means we can change its letter size or the color or different themes or boldness we can make. But insert menu means some types of chart, graph, video that can be also included. Okay, so you should prepare your own PowerPoint presentation for your students. Your edit menu is also there for editing purpose. We can also utilize it. Okay. So whenever we are viewing or our PowerPoint presentation, we can opt for normal view. It is the view when the presentation is made. In this view, one can see the next image and animations. Outline view, outline आमे देखि परिबा. The view is used when we want to see only the text content of the presentation outline. Yeah. So different types of options are there. Slide shorter, slide को short करिकिनि मध्ये हम टाइम रे ताकू देखि परिबा. Master slides are also there. Grid self-liners are there. Color, animation, style एटा सब तमे निजे कले ही एटा पूरा प्रैक्टिकल पाठ गुडी को तमे निजे एटा केवल थ्योरी रे पढुछ बोली कि आमे केवल जानिबा बा एटा विषय पढिबा किंतु मेनली तमे एतरे एक्सपर्ट हे परबो जेपन तमे PowerPoint स्लाइड गुडो बनैबो निजे पिलांक पई. अच्छा एनिमेशन फॉर्मेटिंग एगुडा को सब मध्ये रहिछि. टूल मेन्यू, इंसर्ट मेन्यू एगुडा को सब रहिछि देखियो. So whenever you are making presentation, we have to also follow some disciplines, some rules, regulations, like what to do and what not to do during the presentation. Okay, so first thing is that keep a balance to text and images. Make sure that text is written in legible form. Then text should be used in moderation. Avoid using full sentence. तो बितरे PowerPoint presentation करूछंती सेतेले ताकू आमे सबुतक सेंटेंस लेखिबानी किछि किछि मेन पॉइंट उडा को आमे लेखिबा, so that it will be also understood by our learners. Okay, rehearsal करिवा, rehearsal ताकू करा जिवो. Not advisable to read from the screen. Okay, so you have to present it, not to read line by line. Ensure no spelling mistake. Follow the 10-minute rule. For that meaning every 10 minutes into your presentation, share the interesting videos or images. So video, images we have to also include. Otherwise, our students will be bored. Okay. Then clear image we have to. So कौन करिबानी presentation बेले हमें सो कौन करिबानी कि कहिबो. Any idea what type of precautions we have to take while uh, showing our PowerPoint presentation or presenting our PowerPoint to our students? What type of precautions we have to take or what we should not do? Any idea?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, especially when we are using the PowerPoint presentation for our study, that means to teach our student or anything else, that some of the precautions that we have to follow, that means we should use the screen, that means the background. Sometimes in PowerPoint presentation, we use the animated template. That is not good for study. That means in the educational sector. That means we have to be cautious about using the template. First of all, we have to use the template carefully. That means a simple template. That means we need to put the content simply on the PowerPoint presentation, which will be effective in our teaching learning process. And then we use the font. That means the font should be bold or it should be a normal font. That means we should not use some stylish or italic font. That means which will be difficult for the learner to read. That we should not use the animated font. Then we should use the black white color, or if we are using some other color as the background, then we need to choose the font color accordingly. That means if we use the red color and we are using the pink color as the background, then this letter will not be visible. So we need to choose the font color as per the background. So then, if we come to the title slide and the content slide, we have to maintain the ratio. That means if we give content the title slide font size 16, then we need to keep the content size to 12. That means it will be easier that to guess that this is the title slide and this is the content. And then we should not use some animated things inside that. That means sometimes so we put some numbering and dot mark inside the screen. So it is not make the presentation good, ma'am. So we need to put the main points and that which need the student. That means we have to put that. And another thing that we should be careful. That means we should not write down all these things. That means we have to put the basic main points that should be discussed in our classes. And then about the animation and the photo, using a photo, we should not put every photo on that PowerPoint slide. That means if needed, we have to put that. And another thing in the PowerPoint presentation, that means so sometimes we give some animation and some that slideshow. In the slideshow, we also put some sounds that are not needed in the educational purpose. That means we have to use such pleasant sound if needed. And so there are so many types of the precautions should be adopted while presenting or preparing a PowerPoint slide.
Yes, different types of um, points we have to consider. Okay, so many colors we should not use so that it will be very complicated for our learners. Okay, so basic हमें इतने sound animation basic use करियाने, distraction will be there, basic video पकेवाने, so that they will students will be they will not concentrate on learning, rather they will be involved in some other activity. So एवढा सब हमें देखिबा. Then coming to spreadsheet software. What do you mean by spreadsheet software? What is that? Spreadsheets Mainly it is utilized for some type of calculations or some type of graphical presentation or some type of tabulation. For that we are using spreadsheets, MS Excel, and you might have used it for keeping some data of your school. So whenever you are using spreadsheets or this MS Excel, you will find different cells are there, with which you can also apply different formula, and you can calculate different mathematical formulas are there. Sabu prakar formula sethere rahichi, statistical, arithmetic related, or any type of calculation you can find. So you will find in spreadsheet some cells are there where you can also add your data. In your book also, its structure has been also given, how to sort data, how to use that menu bar, toolbar, ଏଥିରେ ବି ରହିଛି। So it ଦେଖ ଏଟା ସବୁ ହେଲା worksheets ର cell ଗୁଡାକ, individual cells. We can also print it, print preview. We can also filter data, जो डाटा दरकार से डाटा को आमे बाहर करि परिबा एवं सेतरे किछि कैलकुलेशन करि परिबा। Calculate the data using the formula, गोटे formula मध्ये आमे सेतरे पकेइ परिबा। फॉर्मेट कंडीशनिंग फॉर्मेट विभिन्न प्रकार फॉर्मेटिंग भी अछि, हाइपरलिंक कमेंट्स एडा को सब देई हबो, हेडर फुटर सब हम यूज करि परिबा सेतरे एमएस एक्सेल रे। We can also insert clip art, picture file, or different types of graphical graphs also we can include, bar diagram, जोड़ा भी pie chart सेडा को सब insert करि परिबा। So we can also insert and delete rows, columns. So table भलिया सेटा थाए, table भलिया सब छोट छोट cells गुडी को तमे पाइबो सेइथे, एमतिया छोट छोट cells गुडा को। Okay, so mainly it is utilized for storing different type of data, quantitative data, where you can also keep record of your school students or different types of activities, ताको मध्ये तमे record करि परिबो। You can also print it with the command print. You can print different worksheets. So now coming to another tool that is related to your drawing tool and content creation. So whenever we are preparing content for our students, especially for our school or college students, at that time we have to make it more and more attractive. And for that purpose, we are also having different types of websites and apps through which we can draw different type of diagrams or include different type of diagrams. ଯେମିତି କି ଗୋଟେ ରହିଛି Pixabay, www.pixabay.com. Okay, so it is also having different features. So word processing software, presentation software, एटा को सब हमें यूज करि परिबा। So how to store and retrieve different content. So how suppose you have prepared different presentation, you can also again utilize it for other session or next session. So थरे तुम पेज रे धर तयारी हला ए पावर पॉइंट बाय कंटेंट उडा को नेक्स्ट सेशन में मध्ये देखै परिबी। So how can I store? Different storing devices are there, just like in the last class we have learned some type of storing devices. In this class also you will find different storage and retrieval content devices, केमती कोन सब डिवाइस रे आमे स्टोर करि परिबा। कोथरे हेइ परिबो स्टोरिंग, जेमती कि लोकल हार्ड डिस्क रे आमे ताको सेव करि परिबा, यूएसबी पेन ड्राइव रे स्टोर करि परिबा, एक्सटर्नल हार्ड डिस्क अछि, और क्लाउड बेस्ड सर्विस जस्ट लाइक गूगल ड्राइव, ड्रॉप बॉक्स, वन ड्राइव एगुडा को सब रहिछि, सेइथरे मध्ये आमे ताको सेव करि परिबा। सेविंग इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट। Suppose you have prepared some type of tools, and again in the next session you can reuse it with some type of additional editing. So now another concept is there, like file formats and conversion. So you might have learned it. What is that? On the format को हमें काइन conversion करिवा कि कहबो? What is the importance of file format conversion? So we can find different formats of our file, but why should we convert it?
As we know that we are using the electronic devices, that means computer, mobile phones, and other tablets, etc. And as we are using the file in some format, that means if we are creating some file in the MS Word, that may not get supported in some computers or laptops if they have not installed the MS Word software. At that time, we face difficulty using or opening that file. Sometimes we need to convert that. That means we need to convert the Word document to PDF document. That means if we convert it to PDF document, then it can be read in the mobile phones if they have not installed the MS Word or any Office software. So like that, if they have created the spreadsheet or Excel software or PowerPoint presentation in a computer, if they have not installed the PowerPoint in their mobile or the Google Slide, etc., have not been installed in the mobile phone, then they cannot use that app or the file in their mobile phone. But if they convert it to the PDF document, then it will be easier for them to use it in the mobile phone or tablet. So for that purpose, it needed to be converted to another format now.
Okay. So different types of formats are there. Like तमे PDF रे store करी परिबो, document रे store करी परिबो. So sometimes some WhatsApp documents are not opening. Sometimes they are saying that this app is not available within your device. That means some types of problem might be there. Sometimes some data are not that much clearer to us. So specific features are there. The PDF, it is very clear. It is very simple to use, and also it is very simple to open, and you can also find that content easily. Okay, taku ame download kari pariba easily. But whenever we are storing the document under Word, it is sometime it is not opening in different devices. Again, editing facilities are there with respect to Word, but in PDF we cannot edit it easily. So for that purpose, as per the requirement or need of our learners or document, we can also use different formats of our files. So we can convert it into different type. Some softwares are there converting for converting different documents, like suppose image को तो हमें PDF रे convert करी परिबा, PDF को image रे convert करी परिबा. So different word file को PDF रे convert करी परिबा. So ସେଇ ଭଳିଆ different types ର facilities गुड़ाक मतलब रही. एमती ODT stand for open document text. এটা গুड़ा रही. Then doc PDF EPUB এটা সব পড়িব. HTML TXT ODP PPT form রইবটা PPS. So PDF টা বেশি আমি यूज करता है JPG for storing or for storing our images. JPP ଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଅଛି. ଏସବୁ ପଢିବ. So spreadsheet ର ବି software ଗୁଡାକ ରହିଛି. ଯେମିତି ODF ର ରହିଛି spreadsheet, XLS, CSV file, it is also very popular. CSV गोटे ऐप रही से भी आम एक्सेल फाइल गुड़ाक सब देखिपर. PDF फॉर्म रे HTML JPG PNG रे भी आम इमेज गुड़ाक सब डाउनलोड करूँ प्रायतः. ड्राइंग टूल्स रे एमती JPG TIFF GIF PNG रे आम करता SVG. So there are also some type of provisions, and we can also convert different types or different formats. Okay. Now coming to concept of reusable learning object. So what is this reusable learning objects? What is that? What do you mean by what is your thoughts? Reusable learning objects.
I think the reusable means that it can be used next time or one than more time. That if we are creating a document, that here you are presenting a PowerPoint slide to us. That means this slide can be reused for more than one classes. That means from these classes you can use it, and in the other classes you can use it. So this type of document that are electronically saved in the devices can be used to one than more times, and in every time you can use it. So that is reusable learning objects.
So we should not waste our time, energy, or power for preparing that same material again and again for that particular content. We can reuse it, and we can also distribute it to others. So technology, through this technology, we can store, we can share, and we can reuse different types of material. So in this concern, you will find reusable means it can be used as stand-alone learning object. Okay, so ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାରର reusable the main characteristic ଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି, କ'ଣ ହବ ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ପଢିବ. This flexible, searchable, standardized, small in size, self content, ତାର characteristic ଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଦେଇଛି. Reusable learning objects ର କ'ଣ ସବୁ characteristic features ରହିଛି. So mainly it is also digital or web based, 24/7 accessible, reusable. Again we can utilize, and many students can use it, and they can share also. Self content, different contents are there, specific topic learning objectives are there, small in size, standardized, okay, and searchable, flexible. So these are different concepts of your RLO, that is reusable learning objects. So whenever we are moving to the next part, next unit, that is about unit 4, computer security and safe practices. So in the last class also we were discussing about how can we make our computer interaction more and more safe, and what type of precautions we have to take, what type of tools, techniques we have to utilize it, like antivirus we have to upload, and some type of power supply we have to also make it continuous. So here in this particular unit you are going to learn about caring for the computer, that is protection from physical damage, protection from software installed, protection from data store, and some root practices while using the computer. Those things we will discuss. So caring for computer. So in this sense, different types of rules, regulations are given with very nice pictures. You can find, just like I think all of you have gone through this particular chapter. कौन सब करिवा कि कहि परिबो, कौन सब केयर करिवा कंप्यूटर, केमति तुमे माने तुम निज कंप्यूटर को केयर करथो फिजिकली, so that we can protect it from physical damage. Any idea? Your own personal view. I think all of you are having laptops or a computer, personal computer in your home. How are you protecting it from physical damage? Your own experience you can share here.
Ma'am, first of all, I will like to share my experience, ma'am. Because when we are using the computer, then first of all we have to take care of its power supply, ma'am. That means the power supply plays a very vital role in the running of computer. Whenever we get some low voltage, at that time you need to use the UPS. That means so you are using the uninterrupted power supply. So this UPS is very much needed for the good power supply to the computer. And another thing, that means when we are using the desktop computer, we have to take care of that SMPS. As the power supply, the SMPS provides the power to the motherboard and the processor. So the SMPS plays a very vital role. If we give the computer the cheap SMPS available in the market, then there is a chance of damage of the motherboard. So we need to protect the computer by installing a very good quality of SMPS. That means it will provide power. Then, ma'am, for the physical damage, we need to use the proper cable. That means the company trusted, that which is available in the market. We need to buy the best quality supply power supply cable or the VGA and HDMI cable, etc. And another thing that means sometimes in the computer we have seen that the USB drive, that means the mouse or the keyboard is connected but it is not recognized by the computer. Sometimes it is gives us some problem. So we need to use the proper mouse and proper keyboard, which is acceptable by the company. And then, ma'am, I have also faced some problem while using the computer. That means one thing is dust. That means in our circle environment, if there is some dust and
Mm.
some that means some water particles near the atmosphere, then the RAM of the computer gets damaged. Sometimes due to some short circuit, this motherboard can be get damaged, ma'am. So we need to protect our computer by providing some covers to it. That means it is also important to cover the computers with some cover
Dust
that,
particles. Hmm.
yes, ma'am.
To
Then
save it from
the
dust particles. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Then the one thing that means there are some fan inside the computers that keep us cool, keep the processor and the motherboard cool. That we need to wash it regular interval. That means in 1 year we need to wash it. Without washing, the dust particles get attached to that fan, and that may result in damage the computer system. So we
Hmm.
need to just take care of the some kind of work to protect our computer.
Hmm. Sometime some other precautions also we have to take. How ki kahibe Rajendra Biranchi sir, how are you protecting your computer from physical damage? Sometime whenever we are using our computer, it becoming very hot. Some type of hot waves are also coming, so we have to take care of it. You have to use this in a very cool environment. If AC facility or cooler facilities are there, you can also use that, so that excess heat can be absorbed. ଆଉ କ'ଣ କରିବା, ଥର୍ମୋକୋଲ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିପାରିବା। ଥର୍ମୋକୋଲ୍ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ତାକୁ ବେଶୀ ଟେମ୍ପରେଚର ଯଦି ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ହିଟ୍ ୱେଭ୍ସ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ତାକୁ ସେଇଥିରୁ ସେଭ୍ କରିବ। So in your book also those things are there. Use of UPS, take care of computer accessories. So तार पार्ट्स गुड़िक आम भलसे देखा, प्रिंटर कीबोर्ड माउस सब भलसे कभर होना ना, डस्टी एरिया जो जमी से न रमें धर कंप्यूटर यूज करचे, कॉफी पीऊे, जूस पीऊे, पिला को देखा से किसी फूड टी कॉफी एगुड़ाक सब न पड़, so that some type of problem can be avoided. Use of duct tape for binding the loose wires. जदि किसी लूज रही जाउची, आमे किसी टैप रे ताकू मध्य यूज करके ताकू बांधी परिबा। रिमूव redundant हार्डवेयर, जोड़ा का सब ओल्ड रही, ओल्ड माउस, ओल्ड कीबोर्ड काम करू नाही, किंबा यूपीएस किसी प्रॉब्लम बैटरी से रोचे, से गुड़ा सब आमे रिमूव कर देबा। केयर अगेंस्ट एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन, जोटा कहूली जदि एनवायरमेंट किसी प्रॉब्लम रोचे, किसी तो बेसी गरम जगह रोचे, से जगह हम ताको यूज करिया नै। यूज एप्रोप्रिएट फर्निचर केसेस, जोटा तमे कहूथिलो भल टेबुल भल चेयर आमे यूज करबा। जदि आमे एपटे यूज करछे छोटा टेबुलटे रखिछे, तो केतेले सेटा गड़ी जीवो, भांगी जीवो, तार पार्ट्स गुडाक बेले बेले आमे यूज कला बेलको माउसटा तळे पड़ी जाय थाए, किबा किछि हमर एक्सेसरीज गुडाक रहिछि, प्रिंटर रहिछि, ताकू ता पाई जदि स्पेस नाही ताहले मध्ये सेटा मध्ये कोठी गड़ी जीवो, सेटा मध्ये पड़ी जीवो, so the physical damage will be there. Okay, so now coming to protection of software installed. So this is about physical part or the hardware protection. So what about software protection? How can we save our computer from software failure? केमती कौन ताकू आम यूज करूँ, कौन सब कले जो सॉफ्टवेयर मध्य ठीक से रही पारिबो, कि कहबो सॉफ्टवेयर पाई जोटा बहुत पॉपुलर को।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for the protection of the software, we usually use the antivirus, ma'am. Antivirus is very much needed as we know that day by day information war is going on. That means every country is getting new information day by day, and they are trying to steal the information from other countries. So they are attacked to the personal computers through various ways. In our day-to-day life, we know about the hackers. Hackers are also attacking our personal computers in various ways. So
Hmm.
the antivirus plays a very vital role while protecting our personal computer. So antivirus is very much needed for our computer. So we also know about some antivirus that are available in the market like Quickhill,
Hmm.
Avast, and any other McAfee. There are some antivirus now.
Hmm.
Then we need to install the that means a very trustable application now. That means when we are installing the software in our computers, we have seen that some of the shopkeepers are giving the pirated software. That means
Hmm.
unlicensed software to the
Pirated
customer, which is
software
not
should be avoided. That is also
avoided.
destructing
Yes, ma'am.
our system. So
Yes,
cheap
ma'am.
pirated software should be avoided.
Avoided, ma'am. So then another thing that sometimes we are also getting acquainted that we are using the free software that is available in the market. There is also some chance to get the virus inside the computer, and we need to then we need to update our computers regularly. We have to
Hmm.
update it regular interval. As we know that previously in the Windows 7 or Windows 8, there was no such antivirus was pre-installed in the computer system. But nowadays, the Google, the Microsoft that
Microsoft.
will have also and the auto installed antivirus that will Microsoft Defender and that Microsoft Defender that is also a the free antivirus. But we need to protect our computer, so we have to buy newer version. That means like Quickhill, which is more powerful than the free antivirus. So we have need
Automatically
to
it is
update.
updating the software.
Yes,
Automatically
ma'am.
these softwares are from internet. They are also sensitizing the system and they are also updating it. So it is a new features of Windows 10 like that.
Yes, ma'am. Then, ma'am, we need to keep the that means our the serial key of the installed software. That means sometimes we have seen due to some short circuit or any other disturbances in the hardware system, our computers get corrupted, or we need to install the Windows again. That means new window is installed in our computer. So at that time, we need to keep our serial key and the disk. That means nowadays we are using the pen drive for installing the software, but previously we were using the disk. So we need to keep the pen drive and the serial key with us, and so that we can get our genuine
So we
software
have to also
easily.
check whether new devices what we are attaching to our system they are free from any kind of virus. Otherwise, it may transmit it to our system. So
Yes,
external devices must be carefully utilized. ସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବା ନାହିଁ ସବୁଠୁ ଆଣିକି ସବୁ ଆଡ଼େ ଯେଉଁଟା ବେଶୀ ୟୁଜ୍ ହେଉଥିବ ସେମିତି ଆମେ ଆଣିବା ନାହିଁ। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଉ କ'ଣ
ma'am.
ସନ୍ତୋଷ?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in our the surroundings, that was some softwares are available in the market. That when we browse the net, that means internet, some software. If we click on some link, then some software get installed in our computers directly. So we should avoid the link, and we should not click on that link. And we have to use the settings. That means in the Google Chrome there are some settings which is a very dangerous site. There is some protection by the Google, so we have to on it. That means we have to turn on the protection in our browser while browsing the net, internet. Especially.
Firewalls we can also use. Firewalls are
Yes,
protecting
ma'am.
us. Okay, so let us see what are those same thing there. It is also written in this book. There is use of antivirus, use of force or licensed software. जोटा तुम लाइसेंस होथबो एवं लाइसेंस थिबो सेगुडी को यूज करबा डुप्लीकेट बा पायरेटेड यूज करबानी regularly update the software of the computer. Updation is very important. So each year also, if you are not able to update it, then you can also make update. You can also make it appropriate. Then organize the software installation disk and keep the series key in the safe custody. ठीक से ताको आमे रखिबा. So protection of data, creating secure passwords. ଯେମିତି ଆମ ଡାଟା କେମିତି କୁଆଡେ ନ ସେୟାର ହଉ ବା ସେଟା କୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ ନ ହଉ ତା ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମକୁ କିଛି ପ୍ରିକସନ ନେବାକୁ ପଡିବ. Suppose you are working on a project and you want to make it confidential, some confidential data of your students in the school. So you have to also protect your data so that it will not be shared to others or they will not be aware of all these things. So for that purpose कौन करिबा कौन सब करि परिबा जोटा कहउतले पासवर्ड लॉगिन पासवर्ड सिस्टम इट इज आल्सो देयर पासवर्ड तुम देखियो कंप्यूटर खोलला माने गोटे गोटे सिस्टम रे बाकी थाए पासवर्ड दियो पासवर्ड देले ही तमे कंप्यूटर को एंटर करि परिबो so this type of facilities are also there you have to also set your password so that only they will ask that screen will ask what is your code password so if you are giving it then only you can move ahead आउ कोन password you should not store some type debit transaction credit card ro काम करछो किछि बैंक काम करछो सेठी मध्ये हम बेले पासवर्ड को सेव करताउ but it is not advisable to store any kind of debit card credit card or financial card data storage data saving because sometime it will also hamper your account अच्छा सो जतरे जते हम पब्लिक रे किछि कंप्यूटर यूज करछो सेठी मध्ये तुमको देखिया पड़ियो डी ड्राइव रे सब ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम तमे यूज करिवो आउ कोन एनीथिंग एल्स हाउ कैन वी स्टोर आवर डाटा इजीली so password is one type of intervention you can take any other kind of practice आउ कोन के करथाओ डाटा को स्टोर करिया पय any other idea
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, while we store the data in our computer, especially in C drive, there is a big chance, that means greater chance of the data can be get by the hacker, ma'am. So we need to store it in another drive. That means if we are using the C drive in the SSD or hard disk, then we need to store in the another drive. It may be hard disk or SSD. But it is very safe to just keep the data outside the computer. That means an external drive is very safe now. That means if we are using external hard disk or external SSD or our pen drive, then it is very easy for us to store the data safely without storing it in the computer now.
system also we can store it on cloud or any I mean internet resource and satellite drive एवुराकर मध्ये हम ताको स्टोर करि परिबा so different facilities are there okay so now coming to another part of this particular unit good practices while using the computer what are those good practices you have to conduct while using computer कौन सब के कहिबो what is defragmentation one concept is there strategies for optimum use of computer defragmentation anything else
Ma'am, defragmentation means the some of the softwares which are starts from the beginning. So at that time, we should not use the computer that if we are using that, it will consume more RAM and the processor fan will run very quickly and it will make some noise and it also heat the processor. which get some impact on the work load on the CPU or the processor.
Sometimes computer is processing for itself, and it is also preparing itself for the next operation. So at that time also we have to wait patiently. Then disabling programs on startup. What is that?
Sometimes in our computers there are some programs is auto run. That means from the beginning the software gets started automatically. So we should not use such types of software. If we are using such types of software, we have to turn it off from the auto start mode. We have
ତମେ
to
just
disable it.
open କଲା ମାନେ କିଛି କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଓପନ କଲା ମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କିଛି ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଥିବ କିଛି କମ୍ପାନୀ ତମକୁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କିଛି ସଫ୍ଟୱେयर ଖୋଲ ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଇନସିଷ୍ଟ କରୁଥିବେ so we have to disable those programs during the startup so that booting speed and computer will not be compromised booting ଜାଣିଛ ନା କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର startup with booting କୁହା ହଉଛି ହେଲା so booting times booting during this booting also you have to wait and we have to remove different types of intervening softwares. Then reframing from indiscriminate printing. What is that?
Sometimes we have seen that due to some mistake by the user, sometimes the computer itself starts some programs, and if there is some photograph or some thing to print, then it automatically sends it to printer. So at that time, we need to just keep the computer out of such types of work.
So refraining from indiscriminate printing. Printing ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କରିବା ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଠିକ ସେ ଭାବରେ ତାକୁ ଆମେ ୟୁଜ କରିବା ଏବଂ ଯେମିତି डिजिटल फॉर्मेट सॉफ्ट कॉपी हार्ड कॉपी जहाँ भी बाहर ताकू मतलब ठीक से आमे ताकू फोटोग्राफ हो जहाँ भी आमे पिक्चर हो इमेज हो हाँ ठीक कैटेगोरी रे ताकू फिल अप करके ताकू प्रिंटिंग करबा हाँ आ जदी कोहाय जो तमरा वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट प्रिंट कर तमे कि इमेज रो तमे करतुबो कलरफुल बाहर करतुबो हाँ सो सेमती ही हेई थाए आमे जानि पार न था जे को बटन टा आमे यूज करबा प्रिंटिंग रे केमती आमे को चैनल टा बा को बटन टा को आमे को डॉक्यूमेंट पाई ताकू यूज करबा सो वी हैव टू आल्सो very much aware of all this information then organize folders efficiently so during your computer applications you may find different types of files are there some of them are documents some of them are pictures some of them are some essential documents so you have to also divide and organize these folders effectively so that at your need you can also find out जे सबुतक तमे डेस्कटॉप रे सब फाइल रखि दबो सबुतक फाइल रखि देले देन सेठी मध्ये तुमे ना पाई परिबो ठीक से डॉक्यूमेंट गुडाक ना भलो से तमे ताकू कंप्यूटर ऑपरेशन करि परिबो सो यू हैव टू आल्सो प्रैक्टिस फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग योर कंप्यूटर फोल्डर्स इफेक्टिवली आउ कोन क्लीनिंग द रिसाइकल बिन periodically what is recycle bin
Sometimes in the sometimes in the computer system we have to delete some files. That means we have not needed the file, so we need to delete it. But before it permanently get deleted, it is stored in a that means like a dustbin. Whenever you are using something in our home, we have throw it to the dustbin that is stored in the dustbin. That it is not necessary for us now. So like that in the computer also stores the deleted file in a bin, that means in a place which is called the recycle bin. And we need to clear it in a regular interval that as we know that this, what we have deleted from the computer, it is also stored in the recycle bin and it also consumes the space from the hard disk. So we need to empty the recycle bin in the periodically because it will if we delete it permanently this space can be free of.
the space will be there okay space will be there and your computer will be free from overloaded activity so it will also feel easier to work properly Then strategies for preventing data loss. So whenever you are typing something and you are typing many things, but you are not storing that data, then permanently that work will be vanished. So you have to, whenever we are working on computer, you are writing or you are preparing some content or you are preparing some video, whatever it be, but you have to also store it properly. You have to save it. Otherwise your work will be vanished. ଯଦି ତମେ ତାକୁ ଠିକ ସେ ଷ୍ଟୋର ନ କଲ, ତାକୁ ସେଭ୍ ନ କଲ, ତାହେଲେ ସେଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ତମର ଡାଟା ଲସ୍ ହେଇଯିବ. Okay, so properly you have to check whether you have stored your data properly or not. Then backup on external hard disk. What do you mean by that? बेले बेले हमर सब एमती नोटिस गुडा को आसी थाए ना, बैकअप, you need backup and you have to also store. So sometimes hard disk it is also working and it requires some type of refreshment, it also requires some type of backup. So सेटा मध्ये तुमे कहि परिबो इतरे. So some type of commands are there. Then the control panel, system security, choose the backup and restore, and then she should be select the setup backup. So restore तमे करि परिबो जदि किछि तमे कंप्यूटर काम करछ, हठात कोन हला कंप्यूटर करंट प्रॉब्लम हे गला बा बैटरी सरी गला, हां तो सेही टाइम रे कोन करिवो, तुमको से कोटा ऑप्शन दबो बैकअप एंड रिस्टोर. जहा काम करथिलो ताकू आउथरे हां ताकू स्टोर करा जाओ. तो सेही टाइम रे मध्य तमे पेन ड्राइव, सीडी, डीवीडी एइतरे मध्य तमे एक रे तमे स्टोर कर परिबो और बैकअप मध्य जतरे तमे किछि हे गला ता सेही चांस तुमको से देई थाए आउथरे तुम सेइतरे मध्य स्टोर करि परिबो. ओके, ये सब रही प्रैक्टिकल जिनस गुड़ा पढ़. हाउ टू ओपन द बैकअप ये सब देछि. ऑनलाइन बैकअप फैसिलिटीज आर आल्सो देयर. मैनुअली आल्सो यू कैन डू. से ऑप्शन देई थाए प्रायतः ऑनलाइन बैकअप ऑप्शंस जो आम गूगल ड्राइव, वन ड्राइव, ड्रॉप बॉक्स, हाँ से किसी ऑप्शन रही है जोटा कि तुम डिलीट करिया चाहूच ना ताको ठीक से आउ थे स्टोर करिया चाहूच, रिस्टोर करिया चाहूच, से विषय ऑप्शन मध्य से दी था. Then coming to strategies to care for the well-being of the computer user. So under this protection part, already we have discussed about restoring or protecting our computer hardware, softwares, or some type of content, or for saving our data. And in addition to that, also we must learn about how to save or how to care for the well-being of our computer user. केमिति आमे मध्य ठीक से कंप्यूटर यूज करिबा जेमति आम पय सेटा किछि हार्मफुल न हुए कंप्यूटर यूजर मन को पय. सो फर्स्ट इज योर आईसाइट. केमति आईसाइट को आमे प्रोटेक्शन करि परिबा. कंप्यूटर रे बहुत समय पर्यंत तुम यदि काम करिवो, यू मे फील टायर्ड, हेडेक और आई पेन, सो विभिन्न प्रकार प्रॉब्लम तमन हबो. So if you are using computer for long time, you have to follow some rules regulations, just like take a 20-second break in every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away. हाँ यही भाया तुम्हें मध्य कंप्यूटर को बहुत समय पर्यंत यूज कले मध्य जदि तुम ता भीतर किछि ब्रेक नौच, then you can also restore your eyesight. Some glasses are also there, किछि स्पेक्स मध्य पिंधु जदि आजिकली पिला माने जोदरे कि एई भलिया किछि प्रॉब्लम रेज गुडा को ताको किछि प्रॉब्लम न करियो, ताका आखि मध्य ठीक से रहि परियो. Then periodic eye examination, proper lighting. Sometimes some students they are using laptop or computer in dark places during the night time, so it will also hamper their eyesight. तो पूरा अंधार रे तमे देखिबो कंप्यूटर लाइट तम आखि रे पड़ी के मध्ये किछि प्रॉब्लम करि पारे. So you should use laptop or computer with proper lighting situation, proper lighting थिबो सेतरे. Use a good monitor. ब्राइटनेस सेटिंग केते ब्राइट रहिबो, बेसी तमरो मध्ये कंप्यूटर रे मध्ये से सेटिंग रहिची, ब्राइटनेस कंप्यूटर केते रहिबो, केते लाइट आसीबो तम आखि रे, सेडा मत हमकु देखिया अछि. बेसी कंट्रास्ट, टेक्स्ट साइज एंड कंट्रास्ट सेटिंग रे सब तमे पाई परिबो, केते रखिया ताकू तमे एक्सप्लोर करी कि ताकू मध्ये देखिबो, परीक्षा करी कि केते तमे ठीक से ताकू यूज करछो. देन ब्लिंकिंग ओके आखिर जो आखि पता तुम देखुथो पूरा देखुथो गोटे लक्ष्य सो ब्लिंकिंग सेटा मते दरकार आई एक्सरसाइज आखिर मध्य एक्सरसाइज गुडी को रहिची ताकू मध्य तमे करिवो जेमती गोटे स्थिर दृष्टि केवल कंप्यूटर को आमे देखिबा निश्चित भाव में आखिर मसल्स गुडी को सते दुर्बल होइची तो आई एक्सरसाइज गोटे पार्ट गोटे लेफ्ट टू राइट टू लेफ्ट आखिर जो अच्छी मूवमेंट और ऑन अपवर्ड डाउनवर्ड टिके टिके आमे जदि न करबा कंप्यूटर यूज कला बेले आखिर एक्सरसाइज न कर ताले मसल गुडी को दुर्बल होइची देन पोस्चर केमती रहइबा कथा पोस्चर केमती रहइबा कथा के कहबो whenever you are using computer what type of posture you have to maintain
Yes, ma'am.
देखो
Ma'am, ma'am, while using computer or while you are especially typing and browsing the internet, etc. So at that time we need to maintain a posture. That means we have to place the computer screen in a proper table or from a proper distance from our eyes, and our keyboard should be 30 to the 15 to 30 centimeters from our eyes, ma'am. So that means it will be easier for our hand to type on the keyboard. And we also need to get a proper chair, ma'am. That means some proper support is needed to our back. Our the sitting position should be flat and it should be relaxable to sit on a chair, and it should not give us some problem. And we should maintain a proper posture that has been shown in our book also. We need to maintain such type of posture, and we in between typing or using the computer we should relax ourselves, and we should stretch our body so that it will be easier for us to not get so much attracted towards the computer and get affected by the bad effect of computer.
तो our posture should be upright देखो ए पिक्चर भी देछि तम बही रे केमती पे रहिबा कथा अप स्ट्रेट रे बसिबो बेले आमे सोई किना कंप्यूटर यूज करू बेले लैपटॉप यूज करू बेले सोई किना बसी किना विभिन्न प्रकार पोस्चर सो दोस पोस्चर्स आर नॉट गुड बेले आमे गोटे पाखरे गोटे छोटो टेबुल रे रखी किरी सेठी मते झुकी किना देखि ताऊ सो इट विल आल्सो harmful for our body parts especially our eyes especially for our back side or soldier part so for that purpose we have to also monitor our own posture while using computer okay some yoga exercises we have to also conduct whenever you are using this computer for long period then yoga exercise you have to do some exercise देखो देइची हाथ ऊपर को उठेबा जेमति कंप्यूटर रे काम कला बेलू बहुत समय पंत आमे बसी की रहउचे तो मसल एक्सरसाइज मध्ये रहबा दरकार मझी मझी रे जेमति एथे देइची 1 2 3 पोजीशन हाथ आगु करबा तापर त ऊपर को पुनी कांध पाक को शोल्डर पर्यंत को नेबा एवं पुनी ताको आगु को आनिबा so this type of exercises we have to conduct elbow bending हमकु करिया को पड़िबो elbow bending is very important then आ गोटे देख एटा भी मते गोटे एक्सरसाइज होइची 10 मिनिट्स एक्सरसाइज तुमे करि परिबो एटा के आर्म रो किछि एक्सरसाइज एतरे होउची देखो वन पोजीशन रे हाथ पूरा सीधा रहइबो एवं तापर पुनी ताको शोल्डर पर्यंत कान पर्यंत आनिबो एवं पुनी ताको सेही फर्स्ट पोजीशन को आनिबो 1 2 3 so this type of exercises we have to continue so that you can also get some type of relaxation from shoulder pain back pain ए सब तमे किछि सिक्योरिटी पाई परिबो then finger पाई मध्ये finger exercises it is also very important तो हाथ आगु को करिवो देखो इधर केमति रहिछि फिंगर्स मान का पाई हाथ खोला रहिबो तापरे गोटे मुट्ठी करिवो ताको सब तको तापरे पुनी ताको छाडिबो मुठाटा को एई बळे मध्ये तमे exercise करि परिबो so that your finger will be strengthened so whenever we are typing something for a long period our hand muscle finger रो किछि प्रॉब्लम मध्ये देखा जाय थाय अच्छा आ गोटे देखो हेड रो किछि एक्सरसाइज एथरे देछि जेंति लेफ्ट साइड तापरे हेड एक्सरसाइज पुनी ताकू पुनी राइट साइड. So you can also view this type of picture left side को करबा so that this neck portion neck portion will be strengthened. बहुत समय पहिले तुम प्रोजेक्ट टाइप करछो बा किछि काम करछो गोटे पोजीशन रे तुमरो नेक पार्ट रहिला ताहले मध्ये सेटा एई गळा पाखरे मध्ये तुमर प्रॉब्लम आसीबो सेटा सेठी मध्ये पेन स्टार्ट हो जिवो तनो मझी मझी रे लेफ्ट राइट एई बडे तुमे करिवो. आउ गोटे योगा एक्सरसाइज तुम रही आईज पई आखी आखी को केमती आमे स्ट्रेंथन करबा तळ को देखिबा पुनी ऊपर को देखो एई पिक्चर टा केमती देछि 1 2 3 प्रथम स्ट्रेट पोजीशन तापरे तळ को झुकी किना देखिबो एवं तापरे पुनी ऊपर को सो दैट नेक पार्ट रो नेक मसल टा स्ट्रेंथनिंग हबो. आउटे आखी पई गोटे एक्सरसाइज जोटा कहउतली किसी समय पर्यंत आखि बंद करिबो एवं देन यू हैव टू रब योर हैंड्स and those warmth or heat you have to apply to your eyes. आखिरे से warmth टाकू apply करा जिवो so that your eyes will be also refreshed. आखि उडी को मध्ये रिफ्रेश हे जिवो. आउ गोटे मध्ये एक्सरसाइज देखो आखि पई जेमती कि तमे गोटे पेंसिल को देखिबो गोटे दृष्टि एवं ता किछि समय पर्यंत पाख को पुनी आनिबो. So movement of that pencil from outside to your near side. ने पाख दूररु ताकू पाख को तमे आनकी देखिबो. Okay. Then muscle exercise मध्ये रहउची जेमती bouncing the ball. Take a small ball, bounce the ball with one hand and catch it with the another hand in such a manner that the path of the ball from V shape. Okay, so this type of exercise also you can conduct for strengthening your hand. माने कोन होची बहुत समय पर्यंत हम लॉन्ग टाइम एंती बसी की रहिले एक रे हमर मसल उडी को मध्य स्टिफ हे जाउची एवं सेतरे मध्य किछि काम हमें करूना तो so that it is also very pathetic for the user. So in order to help the computer user you can also practice this type of exercises regularly. एटा मध्ये कंप्यूटर जो माने बहुत यूज करछंती जे कोन से काम कला बेल को एटा मध्ये यूज कर एई प्रकार एक्सरसाइज गुडी को प्रैक्टिस करि पारि. बुझियला?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the end of your this unit 4. Then another part is there online security and safe practices. So unit 5 is there, that is about online security and safe practices. How can we make our online activities safe? So whenever you are interacting with different websites or through this internet, you are also accessing your computer to different types of software viruses. So you have to also make some arrangement with your computer software or hardware so that software mainly for use so that online browsing should not affect your computer health. So for that purpose we are also going to learn about some concept related to safe practices of computer and networks using antivirus software, then password management, securing routers and protecting the service set identifier. So एडा को सबु हमें पढ़िबा टिके टिके. So just like protecting our computer from different physical hazards or protecting our softwares from different viruses, we have to also take care of our computer while we are conducting different internet based activities. जेतरा हम इंटरनेट यूज करछे से टाइम रे मध्य हमहु किछि सिक्योरिटी हमकु कंफर्म करिया को पड़िबो. जेमति कि हमें लास्ट टाइम डिस्कशन करथले securing digital data एतटारे पिक्चर मते देछि तुम कंप्यूटर रे स्क्रीन रे तुम देखि परिबो तुम मटेरियल देछि पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्शन करि परिबो सेफ फाइल स्टोरेज लॉग ऑन आफ्टर यूज लॉग ऑफ आफ्टर यूज लॉग इन करछो तापर लॉग ऑफ करिवो जे कोन सी वेबसाइट को तुमे जाउछो धर किछि बैंकिंग रिलेटेड वेबसाइट को जाउछो सेठी तुमे लॉग आउट करिवो यदि तुम ब्राउजिंग करके लॉगिन करके रखिदेव नेक्स्ट जी यूज कर से तार पासवर्ड से पाइजिव ताकू एगेन यूज कर देन सेफ फाइल स्टोरेज फाइल को कोठी हमें स्टोर करछी सेटा मध्ये हमें ठीक से मन रखिबा एवं ठीक स्थान रे ताकू रखिबा सो दैट एगेन हमें जेते ताकू खोजिबा ठीक टाइम रे ताकू पाई परिया बैकअप फाइल्स रेगुलरली ठीक से हमें जदी किछि फाइल्स रही जाइछि जोटा कि रिस्टोर हेई नै ताकू मध्ये हमें देखिबा तार मध्ये कॉपी हमें स्टोर करि परिबा कीप एंटीवायरस अपडेटेड सो एंटीवायरस लोड कर देले हेबनी ताकू मध्ये अपडेट होछि कि नै ताकू चेक करबा deny unauthorized access to data storage area okay sometime your computer is also asking whether you will allow this software to make changes in your computer ei bhara question pachari thai na nai bada bada bibhinna software
Yes, ma'am.
so they are also whenever you are downloading any type of application software so they are also asking you that whether you will allow them to make changes or not okay. Sometime also you may say that no sometime yes so your decision should be appropriate ठीक decision तमे नेबो देखि किना securing internet browser secure your web browser so web browser उडा कोला जे Google Chrome हला आ विभिन्न प्रकार वेबसाइट हला से उडी को मते सेटिंग से भळा रखिथिबो जेमति कि किछि अलगा प्रकार रो वेबसाइट सेतरे इंक्लूड न होबो यूजिंग Google alert then using secure plugin like https everywhere एटा मते गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर तमे यूज करि परिबो https everywhere हां preventing hacking जति न होई परिबो ताको मन देखिया पड़िबो so we have to protect our computer from spyware malware एडा सब एंटीवायरस रहउची हैकर्स माने एटा यूज करथांती ताको मध्ये प्रोटेक्शन करिया पड़िबो so using antivirus softwares spyware and malware to automatic updates spyware malware reason where so different type of softwares are there antivirus मध्ये अपलोड करा जाय परिबो जोटा कि तुमको सेव करिबो वायरस मन गठरो then password management what we have already discussed password sometime we are using this password for login activities whenever you are going through any kind of work at the time we are using password कोथरे सो पासवर्ड दे जो कि कहबो पासवर्ड हमें कोठी कोठी यूज करता है
While using our mail ID especially, we give password, and also there are yes, ma'am. And nowadays the mail ID also asking you to on the two-factor authentication so that on one OTP can be received in our mobile phone. Then they can give the access to our account. And in also nowadays we need to create some strong password. They are asking to create a strong password so that the password hacker cannot guess the password. That means from previously we are using our name and some the basic title or our name and date of birth, etc. So that gets easier for the hacker to guess and to get access to our account. But nowadays we are using some strong password. That means we are using art and hair, star. That means some special character in our password, and we get two-factor authentication also, so that the hacker cannot access to our account.
तो So different types of password strength we have to include. ଯେମିତି କି ତମେ କହିଲ ଯେମିତି ତାର ସବୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାରର କମ୍ବିନେସନ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ରହିଛି କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଲେଟର ସ୍ମଲ୍ ଲେଟର କିଛି ପ୍ରକାରର ନମ୍ବର୍ସ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ୍ କରିପାରିବା so that it will be very difficult for the hackers to get access to into your account. So ଯେମିତି Gmail କହିଲ some confidential letters may be there, some type of data may be there. So ତାକୁ କେମିତି ଆମେ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ କରିପାରିବା ତାକୁ ଆମେ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ଦେଇକି ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ କରିପାରିବା different bank account details are there also we have to log in and we have to access to our profile. So different websites whenever they are saying about a membership part they are also giving opportunity to us for protecting our data through this password. So password we should not share, and whenever you are using the public computer there also we have to take some precautions. We have to also use this computer password properly. Yeah. So here you will find all about good password केमती हबा कथा password रो nature हाँ चित्र दिया इची it must be character or longer password are always preferred. 16 letter जोटा 16 टा थिबो ता भितरे word letter or number जहाँ भी थिबो. It must not be word that appear in the dictionary. It must contain characters from all latest to different character. Yeah. It must not be the name of place, person, animal, thing. So कहले तमे creating effective long password केमती हमें करिबा. So we have to also regularly change our password once a year. Don't use the same password in the multiple account. गोटे हमर पासवर्ड मने रहउची आमे ताको सबुठी यूज करिबा से भलिया करिबा नै so that जे भी हैकर्स थे जे भी जानि परछन ताको से माने सेटा गैस करिकिना अलगा यूजफुल अकाउंट रे ताको मदे यूज कर परियो लॉन्ग वर्ड एउडा को सब आमे अवॉइड करबे का को शेयर करिबानी पब्लिक कंप्यूटर रे ताको मदे शेयर करिबानी. So password manager is there. You can see this type of things. So you have to save it. Your password you have to save. Then securing router and protecting the service set identifier SSID and mobile devices and hotspot. So जेमती आमे router यूज करूचे कंप्यूटर रो हॉटस्पॉट यूज करूचे मोबाइल डिवाइस यूज करूचे ताकू मध्ये हमको प्रोटेक्शन करिया को पड़िबो. सर्विस सेट आइडेंटिफायर एटा मध्ये रही नेटवर्क जोटा के कनेक्शन होची हमर विभिन्न प्रकार रूटर थ्रू रे ताकू मध्ये हमको देखिया को पड़िबो जे तार मध्ये पासवर्ड सेट करिया पड़िबो जेमति कि आउ के ताकू एक्सेस न करियो जति बेले बेले हमें वाईफाई यूज कर देबा ताकू यदि प्रोटेक्शन न करबा ताले हॉटस्पॉट रे अलगा माने मध्ये हम डाटा यूज करि परियो मोबाइल हॉटस्पॉट रे से बेले बेले हमें ताकू मध्ये प्रोटेक्शन करके पासवर्ड देकी ताकू रखि थाए जेमति ताकू केही मध्ये आउ यूज करि परिबनी हम डाटा मध्ये सरिबो नै ना आउ कोन. So you have to be very much aware about all these things so that you can make your device free from different type of hackers activity. Then signs of secure website कौन इमते आमे जानिबा जे से वेबसाइट टा आम पई भलो आमे सेही वेबसाइट को यूज करले किछि प्रकार क्षति हमर कंप्यूटर बा सॉफ्टवेयर को किछि हबो नै कि हमर ऑनलाइन डाटा मध्ये किछि प्रॉब्लम हबो नै केमति जानिबा. So एग्री जेमति देखिछि प्रथमे हला https रहितबो इंस्टेड ऑफ http जोटी http रहितबो एड्रेस से जानिबो किछि प्रॉब्लम रहिछि https रे किछि प्रॉब्लम नै. देन वेबसाइट प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी किछि रहितबो कंप्यूटर रो जे जो भी वेबसाइट तमे यूज करछो. देन वेबसाइट कांटेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन तार वेब इंफॉर्मेशन किछि दिया हितो जे वेबसाइट तळे कांटेक्ट अस किछि तार एड्रेस रहितबो किंतु जोटा सस्पिशियस वेबसाइट से माने कोन करबे ताकर किछि फोन नंबर कांटेक्ट डिटेल्स किछि देबेनी जेमति तमे गोटा गाडी देखियो ता पछरे नंबर किछि लेखाइ न थाए ता माने तमे जानिबो किछि सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी हेइ पारे हला. देन ट्रस्ट सील वेरीफाइड और सिक्योर साइंस ओके लुक फॉर मालवेयर साइंस ताको मन देखि पारिबो बेले अलर्ट आसी जाई थाए जे एई वेबसाइट को आपण एक्सेस करंतु नै मेसेज पळे आस्ते so it is not a protected one. Some kind of problem it can hamper your computer so automatically this type of message will come to your screen. जदि सेही भले आसुची किछि मेसेज ताले ସେଇଠି ଆମେ ଆଗକୁ ବଢିବା ନାହିଁ, ସେଇ ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ ଟାକୁ ଆମେ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବା। ସୋ ସେଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଯେ କିଛି ମେସେଜ କିଛି ଆସୁଛି କି, କାରଣ ସେଟା ଆଣ୍ଟିଭାଇରସ୍ ଅଲରେଡି ସେଠି ଡିଟେକ୍ଟ କରିକିନା ଆମକୁ କ'ଣ କରିଥାଏ, ଆୱେର କରିଦେଇଥାଏ ଯେ ଏଇଠି ଆଗକୁ ବଢନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ, ଏଇ ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ କୁ ଆଉ ବଢନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ। ଇଟ୍ ମେ ହ୍ୟାମ୍ପର ୟୋର କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର, ଇଟ୍ ମେ destroy your computer activities. So you have to also monitor that. ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରିବା ଯେ କୋଉଠିକି ଆମେ ଯିବା କୋଉଠିକି ନାହିଁ। So unsubscribing from email subscriptions, sometime এটা କ'ଣ unsubscribing from email subscription କ'ଣ କିଏ କହିବ?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sometimes we have seen that some of the hackers or some of the company, they are sending us the unnecessary mails, ma'am. So we have to unsubscribe that because they are sending some viruses to the mail, ma'am. Some attachment is there, so which can be more dangerous for our computer system. So we have to unsubscribe that mail so that we would not receive the mail in the future.
बेले बेले सस्पिशियस मेसेज गुड़ाक आसी थाए, बेले बेले मेसेज आए जोटा कि आम जानी ना से माने मध्य आम किछि पठै थांती, एंड दे आर गिविंग अस सम टाइप ऑफ लिंक्स, दे आर आल्सो रिक्वेस्टिंग अस टू just press this link and get membership like that. So suspicious messages are also coming, like I am here and जति गोटे बेले मेसेज आस्ता जे मु एठी रहिछि, मते बहुत जल्दी पैसा दरकार अछि, आपण एई एड्रेस से जल्दी पैसा पठांतु, किबा आपण केवाईसी रो डिटेल दियंतु, हां किछि पैन कार्ड आधार कार्ड किछि आपणकर अकाउंट नंबर डिटेल्स दियंतु, न देले आपण असुविधा रे पड़ी जिवे। एई बडे विभिन्न प्रकार मेसेज गुडा आस्ता ईमेल को, किबा बेले बेले आसी थाए जदि किछि मेसेज आस्ता जे जल्दी से आपणकर अकाउंट डिटेल्स दियंतु, किबा आपण केते 1 करोड़ जीति गले, जदि जीति गले ताको क्लेम करिवे केमती ना एई जो अछि लिंक रे आपण जल्दी जल्दी ताको क्लेम करिया पे क्लिक कर दियंतु, सो दैट पैसा उडा को आपण को अकाउंट को सीधा डायरेक्ट पळै जिवो। तो सेठी कोन करिवे समस्ते, हां पैसा आसीला मो लॉटरी जीति गली, तो मो अकाउंट डिटेल्स दे देबी, मो लॉगिन पासवर्ड सब दे दी, सो सेटा मध्य हैकर्स माने देखि पारंती। आ गोटे मध्य रहिछि वन स्क्रीन, जोटा कि जदि सेठी सेही भले ऐप करथिबे, अपलोड करथिबे, जहाँ भी करूछंती स्क्रीन रे, सेटा मध्य जे हैकर्स थिबो सेटा मध्य देखि पाउथबो। हां तो स्क्रीन रो कनेक्शन हे जाई था सेतरे, सेही भलिया किछि वेबसाइट्स गुडाक मध्य रहिछि जोटा कि से माने कहितांती बारंबार एई लिंक रे मध्य प्रेस करंतु, एई लिंक को सब्सक्राइब करंतु, सेटा कर देला मात्र के सब तक डाटा कंप्यूटर जहाँ किछि काम होउछि, जहाँ किछि काम होउछि तांको कंप्यूटर को सेटा मते देखा जाई था। हां सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी मच केयरफुल, वी शुड नॉट ट्रस्ट anyone while through this email communication. So some on your school, I mean some type of messages are coming to our suspicious messages are coming to our email, so we have to also unsubscribe it. जदि आसुची ताकू मध्य आमे कहि देई परिया जे आमे एटा unsubscribe कर देले से माने आउ से मेसेज पठै न थांती। Then firewall, I'm पढ़िथिले लास्ट क्लास रे firewall, it's a type of gatekeeper or watchman who monitor the entry and exit of people or websites. हाँ जदि firewall रो विभिन्न प्रकार रो सॉफ्टवेयर गुडाक रहिछि, एड ब्लॉकर, मैनेजिंग पॉपअप्स, कुकीज। हाँ सो बेले आमे एड ब्लॉक एड गुडाक पळे आस्ते, तो एड ब्लॉकर आमे यूज कर परिबा। पॉपअप्स कोन, so pop-up
Ma'am,
block, कुहंतु।
sometimes while we are using internet, some the websites are sending some external link. That means we have to go outside that website, and some pop-up windows is shown, and
Pop-ups are
they,
additional
they
windows. Some additional
yes,
windows are interfering in our activities. So they are
yes,
coming and they are asking for our attention. Isn't that it?
yes, ma'am. But sometimes pop-up is necessary, ma'am. While we are applying for the government website, that means
Ah,
for job, at that time some pop-up is also necessary to download the application, submitted application form and admit card also. So sometimes pop-up is necessary, but sometimes it can be dangerous, ma'am. So we need to use it cautiously.
so we have to use it cautiously, and so that we can avoid this type of interference in our work. Okay. Then cookies, what are those cookies?
Cookies means some of the data stores in our browser and computers sometimes, and it also reflects our searches and our uses of computers. That means what we usually search in the computer. If I am visiting one website of any website that I am visiting, it also stores the data and it gives us the output like that. And nowadays also, ma'am, the cookies played a very vital role after the AI technology, that means artificial intelligence. And cookies, the artificial intelligence is also using the cookies to give us the related data. That means if I am searching about a text, then it will also give us the related messages or related search to our computer or mobile phone. So cookies is
So if
very
you are
important
visiting
and
any
it's
website, it is remembering the data, huh? And the data that will also move to your Google search or any other website also, they will remind you that you have searched this. So it is also get stored in your device also. So we have to also avoid that. Then coming to another part, that is protecting our privacy online and using social network safely. सो कुकीज भाया जमी रहा कुकीज एगुड़ा सब आम वेबसाइट विभिन्न प्रकार अनवांटेड वेबसाइट रु आम कौन कले प्रोटेक्शन पाइले सो कुकीज बेले बेले आसी थाए जे कुकीज को आम डिलीट करदेबा आम टोटाली से गुड़ाक सब अनसेफ माने आम रखानी हाँ सेमती आम डिलीट मारदे कुकीज गुड़ाक पलि जाए सो देन प्रोटेक्टिंग प्राइवेसी केमती आम प्राइवेसी आम ऑनलाइन रखी परिबा सोशल नेटवर्किंग केमती कर परिबा protecting privacy online.
nowadays. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, nowadays we are using the social networking site very every day. That means every day we are using the social networking site, and it is very much important to keep protecting privacy online. And some of the hackers are hacking our social networking sites, ma'am. So it is very important for us to protect ourselves from their bad intentions. That we have to give some password protection. Nowadays, also Facebook has also introduced the protection to lock our profile so that no one can see our profile without our prior permission. So we need to protect our information also, and it is very much important not to share every information in the Facebook or Twitter or any other social networking sites. It is very much dangerous, and as per my experience, my Facebook account was also get hacked by a hacker, and I have to show my Aadhaar card to get authentication. After that, I get very conscious about the social networking site, and I have also deleted most of the information about myself from Facebook.
So Facebook friends, Facebook is a social networking site. WhatsApp is a social networking sites. So they are sending friend requests. We are accepting it. They are also finding our data. They are also misusing that. They can also take our pictures. They can also use it in through unfair means. हाँ सो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ हैकर से मन तुम पासवर्ड को मध्य हैक कर देबे एवं निज जहाँ देखिया कथा निज जहाँ से मेसेज पठिया कथा ताकू मध्य पठेई परिबे समस्ते भाबे तुमे ही करछ तुम ही फोटोग्राफ थिबो किंतु सेटा आउ जने ऑपरेट करथबो सो इट इज आल्सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस सम टाइम आल्सो आवर प्राइवेसी गेट compromised ओके जो मान को आमे हमर किछि प्राइवेट इन्फॉर्मेशन देबा को चाहू नथिबा से माने मध्य सेटा को देखि तांदे सो नाउ इट इज आल्सो वी कैन प्रोटेक्ट इट फेसबुक रे से भलिया ऑप्शंस गुडा को अछि जे हु कैन सी योर प्रोफाइल के देखि परिबे कि न देखि परिबे किए तमर कमेंट करि परिबे किए कहा को एई पोस्ट गुडा को देखा जीवो सो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ options are there you can also use it and you can edit your information से बळे आमे ताको यूज करियो देखो एडी जेमति रहिछि फेसबुक रे योर इन्फॉर्मेशन विल बी पब्लिक और फ्रेंड्स किए एटा देखिबे तो तमे ऑप्शन इतरे फ्रेंड्स करबे जहां भी इन्फॉर्मेशन दउछ ताको तमे फ्रेंड्स माने ही देखि परबे आउ के ही देखि परबे नै तमरा जे जहां को चिन्हि छ जहां पर तमर ट्रस्ट अछि से माने ही तमर फ्रेंड हेबे এবং ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ହିଁ କେବଳ जीव बेले बेले देखि था भी आमे फेसबुक रे बहुत thousands of followers are there, thousands of friends are there. So there we have to be very much selective. आमे जानिबा जे किए हमर फ्रेंड किए हमर फ्रेंड नहंती ताकू मध्ये आमे देखिबा सब इनफॉरमेशन सेतरे सत न थाए किछिटा फेक प्रोफाइल भी थाए एवं दे आर आल्सो monitoring our activity, they are also following us, and they can also make some problems to our life. So privacy setting tools भी रही privacy setting रे कोटा आमे रखिबा who can see our profile information, who can share our picture, who can take screenshots. हाँ ये सबूर options गुड़ाक सहित रही privacy रे. So you can also restore your privacy through this type of settings. Then precautions for file setting. So how can you file sharing? So you know that some files we are sharing in the social media or to our different friends. So what type of precautions we have to take while sharing our files? कौन सब करिया को?
Ma'am, while sharing our files to anyone else, we need to know about the person first, ma'am. If we do not know about the person to which to whom or we are sending the files, it is very much dangerous. If we are sharing our files with unknown personalities, that he or she can misutilize our files. And another thing that the medium is very much important. That means if we are sharing our files with a known person or our friends, we can share it with WhatsApp or any the Telegram or with mail also. But if we are sharing our files with unknown persons, it is very much dangerous. It can
Yes, we should not
also
trust.
yes, ma'am.
We should not
As a,
trust
as a,
everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Now also, I have seen some of the friends also get in trouble due to sharing of information, their banking details. The hacker also just blank their bank account. Like that, we should not share our information or files to anyone else.
Yes. So different types of precautions we have to take, and whenever we are sharing any file, we can also convert it into PDF format, because whenever you are preparing it in PDF format, it cannot be editable easily. So it is very wise to use PDF format for sharing our data. PDF रे आमे ताको शेयर करिवा ताको के चेंज करि परिबेनी आउ मध्य आमे किछि आमर जदि किछि निजर सेटा तयारी करछे तो किछि मार्क मध्य आमे इंक्लूड करि परिबा हमर नाम मध्य सेतरे रखि परिबा जोटा केही मध्य ताको एडिट करि परिबे नै हैना. So this type of precautions we can take. Then being vigilant for online predators, hoax messages, cyberbullying, and cyber harassment. So that you can find different types of crimes are also there with respect to online activities. Cyber थाना भी रही cyber थाना रे मध्य विभिन्न प्रकार प्रोब्लेम्स गुड़िक आमे देखि थाउ विभिन्न टाइम रे मध्य पेपर रे बाहरी थाए. So we have to be very much alert and vigilant for online predators. Online predators, that means different types of problems can be created through online activities. So what is online predator? कौन कहबा online predator माने कौन? Hoax messages. So some people are
Ma'am,
there.
yes,
Tell.
ma'am. As we are using the online application nowadays very much. So the online there are some bad people. That means they are trying to cheat with others. That means so they are also giving some problems through online messages, online the calls, and also through video calls, ma'am. So some messages also received by unknown personality, and they are also giving some problems to us in our day-to-day life. And also the cyberbullying and cyber harassment is nowadays a very popular activities, and due to these types of activities, some young people have also suicide recent days. That means they are also using the smartphone to create some harassment to the people, and also through gaming, man. As you know that Free Fire and another that PUBG, like games are also very popular among youngsters. So they are also getting problems through that. And also, I have seen some of the friends have also suicided last month due to their
Committed
cyber harassment.
suicide due to cyber harassment. Yes, very
Yes,
true.
ma'am.
So we are uploading our pictures, but it is also mocked by some people. Cyber crimes are also going on. Cyber blackmailing. Some people are also blackmailing through these online messages, anonymous messages they are sending, and they are also threatening the users. Uh, different types of cyber crimes are going on. Sir, online ଆମେ ଠକି ବି ହଉଛେ, ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଗେମ୍ସ ଆମେ ଖେଳୁଛେ, ସେଥିରେ ବହୁତ ପଇସା ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଜୁଆ ଗୁଡାକ ଖେଳା ଯାଉଛି. So different types of crimes are going on. uh, and you know that some people, they are sending anonymous messages, they are also threatening others, harassment ମଧ୍ୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. So some teenagers are there, they are uploading their photographs, and some people, they are also bullying. So your nose is like that, you are very fat, your figure is very bad. So that is also creating some type of depression on the part of our youngsters, and especially to the adolescents people. So many people, they are also getting this type of comments. ସେମାନେ ସିଧା directly they are also rebuking, they are also giving comments. Your nose is like that, you are looking like a monkey, you are look. So different types of comments they are giving, and these people, this user, they are also sharing it online. That means socially they are getting this type of comments. So it will also create some type of depression. Some people, they are also committing suicide. That negative type of attitude for self, they are also creating negative self रे मध्य आमे कहूचे, अलगा मान को मध्य नीचा देखिए कि ना किछि डिप्रेसिंग कमेंट्स मध्य आमे दउचे. रोस्टिंग, ऑनलाइन रोस्टिंग ताको गोटे कहउछंती. जे जा कला सेइथरे से मन को रोस्ट करबा, फ्लेमिंग करबा, तांकू सेइथरे अधिका कथा कहबा, गाली देबा. गोटे गोटे वीडियो देखिबो, ସେମାନେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି ତାଙ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ ଉପରେ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରିକିନା ଗାଳି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି. ତୁମେ ନା ନେଇକିନା ଗାଳି ଦଉଛ. ସୋ ଏଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଟା ସେୟାର ହଉଛି, ସମସ୍ତେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା. ସୋ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଅଲସୋ ସମ୍ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ ହାରାସମେଣ୍ଟ, ଯୋଉଟା କି ହାରାସମେଣ୍ଟ ମଧ୍ୟ ହଉଛି ସେଇଥିରେ. and people are also taking it seriously, and they are also committing suicide. So online activities ଉପରେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି. ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ଏଟା masquerading that happen when person goes to great length to hide the identity and appear to the someone with what they are not. So ଯେମିତି ଦେଖିବା ବଏଜ ମାନେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗାର୍ଲସ ମାନଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋଫାଇଲ ଫଟୋ ରଖିଥିବେ, ଗାର୍ଲସ ମାନେ ବଏଜ ମାନଙ୍କର. So they are hiding their actual identity. Okay, so their real photographs are not uploaded there. So it is also creating some type of problem for others, and other people, they are trusting, they are saying that she is a girl or like that, but actually they are not. So we have to be very much vigilant for that. Whenever we are involved in online activities for storing or creating data, or distributing data to our learners, we have to be very much careful for that, so that we should not affect the sentiments of our learners or our users. ସେଇଭଳିଆ ଆମକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ କିଛି ପ୍ରିକସନ୍ସ ନେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. So this is all about protection with respect to online activities. Any other doubt? କିଛି ରହିଲା କି? ଦି ଜଣ ମାତ୍ର ରହିଛ, ଆଉ କେହି ନାହ କ୍ଲାସରେ? ଠିକ ଅଛି. So now I am just closing this session. ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଏଠି ଆମେ କ୍ଲାସ ରଖିବା, ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସରେ ପୁଣି ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା.
Thank you, ma'am.